Hello students, we were on chapter 11 from here to there. On the last video I gave you homework of the question, how would you keep yourself safe while traveling? So the students answer is, first point is, don't wear flashy jewelry. So whenever we are traveling we don't have to wear heavy jewelries. Second, wear helmets while traveling on two-wheelers. Yes, we should always wear a helmet. Third is drink responsibly. If we are going on a strange place, we should not believe on everyone and drink or eat anything. Fourth is be smart about your money. Whenever you are traveling and if you are taking a big amount of money, you should take care of your money. You should not keep all the money in one place. Fifth is stay aware of your surrounding, and you should be very aware of your surrounding, that which place you are and what type of people around you. Next, come to page number 73. Write in front of each picture what the vehicle is used for. In the spaces provided, draw the picture of some other vehicles, write their names and what they are used for. Are all these vehicles used for our travel? So students, you have been given different types of vehicles. You have to name them and you have to tell that what are the purpose they were used for. Are they only used for our travel or other purpose also? And in the last you have been given two spaces, so you have to draw two more transport there. First one is push cart or hand cart. Hand cart is used by various fruit and vegetable sellers to carry fruits and vegetables and other articles. Children, you must have seen these types of hand carts that come in on your gully also to sell fruits and vegetable. You can also see in the picture. Next we have delivery van. Mail van is used to take mail from one place to another. Basically this is a mail van. The mail we send or the the letter we send, it is used to transfer it to from one place to another. Third is rickshaw with hand operated pedals. Cycle for the disabled is used by disabled person to move from one place to another. So this is basically the cycle for disabled, those who cannot walk on their legs, as you can see in the picture. Next we have tractor. Tractor is used by farmers for tilling the field. The farmer uses this tractor, as you can see in the picture. Next is double decker bus. Double decker bus is used to carry passengers from one place to another. These are also double decker bus. These are also used to carry passenger from one place to another. Ambulance is used to take patients to the hospital. Children, you must have seen this ambulance. So these are used to carry patients. Next is school bus. School bus, it carries children from home to school and from school to home. You all are familiar with this. You all have come to school in this. Next, and the empty spaces we have to fill it. Okay, so the first one is motorcycle. Motorcycle carries two people at a time, and we should always wear a helmet. Next is truck. Truck carries goods from one place to another place. You must have seen the truck taking all the goods, सामान ले जाते हुए रेता बजरी. So these are the trucks. Children, you have to also fill your book on page number 74. Okay, next come to page number 75. Names of some vehicles are given in the center of a wheel. Join these on the one side to the number of wheels each vehicle has, and on the other join them to what is used to run them. So you have been given with the wheel. Let me show you. This is a wheel. On the one side you have been given the numbers of wheels each vehicles have, 2, 4, 3, or how much many, and on the one side you have been given the about on which thing they run. So you have to match them. Children, you can also make the columns and then you can do it. I am showing you. Children, you have to make 3 columns. It will be easier for you. The first column, that is vehicle, number of wheels the vehicle have, and last is driven by. First one is bus. Bus has 4 or more than 4 wheels, and it is driven by petrol or diesel. Second is bullock cart. Bullock cart has 2 wheels and it is driven by animals. Third is cart, that has 4 wheels and it is driven by humans. Fourth is scooter, and that is 2 wheels and that is driven by petrol. Fifth is rickshaw, that is 3 wheels and it is driven by humans. Next, car. Car has 4 wheels and that is driven by petrol. Metro rail, it has more than 4 wheels and that is driven on electricity. Train, more than 4 wheels and that is driven on electricity. Boat, it has no wheels, none wheels, and that is driven by humans. Truck has 4 wheels and it is driven on diesel. Bicycle has 2 wheels and it is driven by human. Last we have motorcycle. It has 2 wheels and that is driven on petrol. So students, this will be easier for you, but if you want to do as it is done in book, you can also write in the other way. I will be showing you next. Here you can see, you can write in front of the number of wheels and they are driven by the vehicle, which are driven by the humans, or by petrol or diesel, and the number of wheels. Here the video. And children, in this video we came to know about the different vehicles, different types of vehicles, and what are their purposes, what are they used for, and the number of wheels the vehicles have, and on which things, petrol, diesel, or gas or electricity, they are driven by. Okay students, bye bye.